Keep watching the video, guys. It's going to work for you. It is super cool. Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a Marvel Contest of Champions modded version, no jailbreak computer needed. So as you can see right here, I have this crazy mod menu with all these features, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So if you like to play Marvel Contest of Champions, keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this modded version, guys. It actually works. It's super crazy, and you can get unlimited resources, guys. It's super insane. So keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It actually works, guys, and it is super cool. So if this video works, you guys keep watching, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get this modded version of Marvel Contest of Champions with this crazy mod menu. So keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So all you got to do, guys, is get on your browser, and we're literally just going to go ahead and go over to Google. And once you're there, guys, you just want to go to the search bar and type in ZooMods. So once it comes up, guys, you just want to go ahead and go over to this site, and then once you're there, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Marvel, and as you can see, it says Marvel Contest of Champions mods. Just pressing that, guys, it's going to start to download. So I'm going to show you guys right here, like, this is why you should not spend any money in this game, guys. Like, it is not even worth it, guys. As you can see, guys, if we type in Marvel, you can see right here the game is literally super expensive. So as you can see right here, when we go to in-app purchases, they're actually selling the vaults, whatever that is, price a bunch of resources for $99. So I don't want you guys to spend any money on this game. You can get a fully working mod menu with unlimited resources, all that good stuff. All you got to do, guys, is just go ahead and go over to this website right here, zoomods.com. So once you're on this site, guys, you can go ahead and download the Marvel Contest of Champions modded version. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. The site is going to take forever to load because I'm on the worst connection in the world. But as you can see, guys, Marvel Contest of Champions mod. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys, and get the word out about this tutorial, guys, because it actually works. So as you can see right here, we got defense, damage multiplier. You can actually get unlimited resources, so it's super insane, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Literally all you got to do, guys, is go to ZooMods. Like, that's it. It's so easy, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, guys, and just get the word out about this method because it is super insane, guys. So I'm going to see you later, and peace out.